Gonna do a haul on all this stuff when I get the chance to. Right now, we're gonna put some toilet paper in the restrooms because we're gonna need that soon. Yes. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna do a quick haul on stuff that we got for the apartment. Everything's either from Target, Ross, CCM, the 99, or Dollar Tree. So from everything's all over the place, so I'm gonna be kind of all over the place. So first things first that I'm gonna grab is this. It's from Target. It's a welcome mat. So we'll be able to put this outside. Something that I got at the 99-cent store. It's this thing. It says keep the change, and there's change in there, like in a mason jar. And then I got toilet papers and paper towels. And then I got some shower, what are these called? The curtain rings. I got a gray shower curtain, and I have another shower curtain that's gonna go on the outside, but this is for the inside. And you can't even see my face. What? And I have 3. Okay, these are from the Dollar Tree, so, by the way. I have 3 round plates so far right now that I'm gonna have to wash and put away also. And then the rest of the stuff from the 99, I got band-aids just in case.
Cut this out. Did you even explain to them what CCM is?
No, but I'll get to it. I got trash bags. They actually gave us a recycling bin, but right now we're using it as a trash bin because we don't have a trash can right now. And then I got some, what are these called? Dish sponges. I got a kitchen dish drying mat. Wow, I just noticed a dish drying mat. I thought it was for the floor. But it's to dry the dishes. Well, maybe we can still use it for the floor. We'll see. I got some Q-tips because we're gonna need some. I got 2 little white mugs, and they have like some type of design on it. See that? So we got those. I'll put this for now. And then 2 bowls that are the same as the mugs. How they have a little design. And then also from the 99, we have, I got 3 of them because they're gonna go in our bathroom. I have the soap dispensers that we're gonna put them in. They're the smell of black raspberry and vanilla. And then I got a big jar for dish soap. And then another one that's gonna go in the guest bath. And I have to go get the other charger because this one's dying. Okay, I'm back with a full battery. I got this at Ross for my daughter. A pink rolling cart. I'm gonna put all her toys and stuff on it. And then I have this mirror that I got from Ross. And as you can see, the design. This is from CCM. CCM is a store that gets stuff from Target that are returns, and they sell it at a discounted price from like 30 to 70% off or something like that. So, babe, you haven't even seen this, but this is the lamp that I'm going to use for my daughter's bedroom. You like it? They had it in gold and in red, but I got the silver one. And then I got these 2 curtains for her bedroom. They're white with like little purple dots. I'm trying to make her room like a pastel, orange, pink, yellow, like bright colors. And then I just got this throw blanket that I'm gonna throw on the couch. And then I got this blanket for my daughter that I'm gonna use as her bed cover. Have you seen it yet? Or no? Dave, did you see it yet or no?
What?
Her bed cover? No. Well, it looks like this. Look. It looks like this. So look at this. Bright colors. This is from Target. I have a box of Polaroids that I'm gonna use to take some pictures. Oh, my double chin. Okay. So we had originally bought these. This soap dispenser that we're gonna use for our bathroom, and this toothbrush holder, but we're gonna end up not using them because we got something else. So I might just give this to my brother or to his mother. I don't know. We got that. We got 2 of these little plate things for my daughter to eat on. We also got her these ones. Oh shit. These ones. We have 2 of these also. We have some gray kitchen towels. This one is with the white stripes, and then this one is just like a bunch of squares. So we have that. We have these color cups for my daughter. Can you tell her to stop banging the cabinets over there? And we got her these colored forks and spoons and knives.
Oh wow, we need it.
And we got more bowls. We got a pink one, we got a teal one, a blue one. And then we have some plates. So we have this one, this pink one. It's a little bit smaller. We have 2 of them. And then we have 2 of these gray ones. These ones are a little bit bigger. So we have this gray one. We have 2 of each. And then these teal ones. And then these light pink ones. That's this drawer organizer. I like the wood theme type wood, white, gray, gold. We're gonna use this in our drawers obviously for forks, spoons, and all that junk. 2 of these because there's 20-piece. It's a 20-piece set, so 20-piece set. So there's 4 of each, and I think we would need more than 4, I guess. So I got 2 of them. So there's this one. They're both the same. And they're like a wood design. And they have like this silver, or is that silver? Yeah, silver lining on the side. But it's just that. I think these are the cups. Should be cups. There's 1 cup, 1 glass. there's this soap dispenser. I was gonna use this for the guest bath, but I'm gonna use it for the kitchen. And it has this design. Can you see the design? Yeah, so that one's gonna be in the kitchen. Then we have another glass cup. The next box is hangers. So we got 2 of these pink ones for my daughter. It's a set of 18 packs, so 2 for my daughter. We got 1 blue one. How many are in here? It doesn't even say how many are in here. Oh, 18. 18 also. And then we have 2 gray ones that are also 18. So we have 2 gray ones. I have 2 more boxes. So this is Target and Ross. So this was from Target. It's the shower curtain. It's gray stripes with a yellow stripe at the bottom. And it has this little fringe also at the bottom. So you can see the gray stripe. But it looks like that. And then I got this cutting board from Ross. It has like this gold handle at the top. Looks like this. I got this 14-piece cutting board from Ross. Off the cutting board. Knife set from Ross also, and it's also wood until I like it. I'm pretty sure the rest of this is probably from Target. So, yeah. Another glass. More glass. But these ones are taller. Let me just unpack these. So we have 6 talls and 6 shorts. Last box. Last box is from Target and it's for the bathroom. So one of our bathroom is like a burgundy gray theme, and the other bathroom is like a cream teal kind of beach vibe theme. So for the first bathroom, we have 2 sets of towels, of cream colored towels. And then we have a floor mat, a toilet mat, toilet cover, and then we have the toilet mat, whatever you call it. Yeah, bath rug, toilet rug. And then we have 2 small chill ones, and that's for the guest bath along with this. I'm going to use this as the soap dispenser. And then I have these gold cups that I'm going to use to put like Q-tips in them and stuff. And then for our bathroom, we have this one for the toothbrush holders. It's a toothbrush and it has like this cool, what's it called, like velvet? I don't know what it's called, like feel to it. I don't know what it's called. And then we have this dispenser also. And then we have the gray toilet rug, gray little towels. 2 burgundy towels, big towels, a burgundy toilet seat, a burgundy bath mat. And then for my daughter, we got her this Tro towel, and it has a baby towel as well, like a little towel as well. It's a washcloth Tros. And then we got her this Paw Patrol robe, and she's the one who chose these towels and stuff. So that is my haul as of right now. And so we're gonna finish up doing whatever else we have to do, and I'll get back to you later. It is currently 10:38, so I will talk to you guys later.